You wanna start a YouTube channel and you're wondering how much it's going to cost me? Trust me, it's not gonna cost you much. Let me show you. When you're starting a YouTube channel, you can think, oh my god, I need so much money to spend, I need all these gears, but trust me, when you start, you don't need as many gears. Plus, most of the gears you need, you already have it and it's for free. Let's begin with the most important part. The number one is the camera. Oh my god, where can I take a camera? Where can I find a camera? Oh, hello, this is my phone. Oh, guess what? There is a camera and there is a microphone. So, step one is done. Use your phone. Don't get so expensive cameras when you're starting because you don't know how far you want to go yet, so just experiment. If you don't have a phone with a smartphone with a good camera, you can buy a camera. You can find cameras very cheap, like £40, $40 or 40 euros, depending on your currency. They are just enough to start filming and make decent videos. The next gear that you can buy, and it's not very expensive, because between $15 and $20 or pounds, is the light ring. Now, the light ring will help you, especially if you're shooting video inside, indoors, because the light can be a problem sometimes. Like, the clouds outside moves, it's sunny, it's not sunny, so you don't have a consistent light on your videos. Plus, it gives more depth to your videos and they will look more professional. And it's not a big expense. Plus, most of these light rings comes with a holder for your phone, so you sort out everything. You have your phone holder, you have your light, and all is centered perfectly to give you the best result. And next is the thumbnail. Now, to make thumbnails, you can use so many free apps or software that are online. Really, you don't have to spend as much. For example, there is Canva that I'm still using, and the free version can give you so many opportunities to create great thumbnail. I made a video just to explain you how to make very quick and easy thumbnails with your phone. You can have a look on this video right here. Now, next step is your editing. Once you do your videos, you know, sometimes you talk and it doesn't come always through in one go. So you might need to cut some parts, put different parts, add some colors, add some titles. How you do this? With the editing programs. Now, which one I use? Power Director. You can use the paid version on computer, on software, or the paid version on the phone. Or you can do the free version on your phone. That is absolutely great and it works very well. There are also many other programs that you can use for your phone, if you have Android, if you have Apple, so you will see, there are so many. My favorite is Power Director. And this takes us to the next step. When you edit your videos, sometimes you will see that without music, something is missing. So where you can source your music. If you want to use the most famous song that goes on the radio at the moment, you will find out that you will have to pay very high copyrights. What are the copyrights? Basically, you need to pay the company that produced the artist. So if you want to put a song from Ariana Grande, for example, you will need to pay thousands and thousands of pounds just to put one song in one of your videos. Now, we're talking about how to make a cheap YouTube channel when you're starting. So I don't think you want to spend thousands of pounds for one song. So where to source the song? The answer is, the first one is on YouTube Audio Library. That gives you a lot of songs and a lot of choices. Oh, my favorite program that I'm using, I pay for it £10 a month, and it will be probably $12 a month, is Epidemic Sound. Now, Epidemic Sound is great. It gives you a massive choice of music and sounds, and your copyrights are covered. Even when you cancel your subscription to Epidemic Sound, everything you've been using on your videos and the copyrights is gonna still covered, so nobody can block your channel. Now, what happens if you use a song without the copyrights? You will see your channel closed and blocked. And if you do block your channel, you won't be able to start a new channel anymore. So, what you need to look for is royalty-free music. Now I suggest you these two, YouTube Audio Library and Epidemic Sound. There's plenty there of royalty-free website where you can find and source more music and find different prices that most suit your needs. And the last is your tags. Taking care of the tags because the tags gonna help you to be found. So I use Video IQ and it's free. So can you see? You don't have to spend much money to start a YouTube channel. Let's make a recap. First thing you need is a camera. You can buy one, a cheap, just to start, or you can use your phone. And trust me, I started my first YouTube channel with the phone and I managed to reach monetization and I did 40 videos simply using my phone. Next step is gonna be the light ring. They're gonna give depth to your video and it's gonna look much more professional. Next is your thumbnails. You can download as many apps as you want. There are so many out there. My favorite is Canva and Lightrooms. They are very, very good. Then you need a video editing program. As I said, I use Power Director. You can use the free version or the paid version, and you can find any other apps that more suits your needs. And then you need to source your music. Search for royalty-free music. YouTube Audio Library is perfect for starting with, or you can go for some monthly play websites like Epidemic Sound. And to finish, your tags. You can use Video IQ that not only is going to help you with the tags, you will see is going to help you to source your content as well. So as you can see, you can start with $50, $60, or even nothing if you already have a phone. It can be so cheap, and really, as I said, I start my channel and I reach monetization only with my phone. And once you reach monetization, you start to earn money, so you can afford and spend money and reinvest in your gears and buy better gears. So don't be anxious to buy the best and the latest generation gears straight away. Just see how it goes, and then you will take your time to start buying piece by piece. So good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just write in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I see you next Monday. Ciao, ciao!